Alright, 2002 FX140. I'm gonna show you where the thermosensor is, okay? That might help some of you. These little colored things, that's just little pieces of paper, just in case you're wondering. Okay, this is this machine has 2 thermo switches and 1 thermo sensor. Okay, here's a thermo switch right here. It's on the exhaust pipe. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna test it and see that it's functioning properly. Now the other thermo switch is directly underneath the exhaust pipe right there, and it looks just like that one. Okay, and the connector looks just like this one, except it's a different color. Same form and shape. Okay, and I'll show it to you. It's right here. Okay, it's within this wiring harness right here, which leads all the way back to the ECU, which is dumped back in the back gently, you know, for safekeeping until I need it again. Right now, so here's the wiring harness, feeds this out of the ECU, feeds this connector, and that wire goes up under the exhaust pipe right there, and it connects to the other thermal sensor. Now, I mean the other thermal switch. Now the one and only thermal sensor is underneath this exhaust pipe right down there. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to find it. Okay, what you want to do is you want to, right here on this same wiring harness, which has got a whole bunch of wires going every which way, you want to look for this connector. Okay, it's similar to that one. Well, sort of similar. Anyways, it's a two wires. That's similar. So, anyways, take this wire and follow this wire. Okay, follow this wire. Put your hand, stuff your hand back up in there, up under the exhaust pipe, and run your finger down that wire until you come to a thing. Okay, that's maybe out of focus. Okay, when you find that thing, run your finger around on that thing until you find the hex head, or the hex shape rather. There's a forming shape and a hex shape, like a hex bolt or hex nut, and that is your thermal sensor. I've got my finger on it right now. It's directly under that hose, that little hose, and you can see the orientation. See where the boy, that's out of focus. You see where the spark plugs are, and you see where my hand is going in underneath the exhaust pipes right there. And you can get it out with a wrench. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to test the thermal switches and the thermal sensor, because this engine is overheating. And this is the left vent. I'll make this short, but somebody asked about this. This is the left vent which connects right there. Mine, suddenly I don't have any water coming out of that left vent, any cooling water. I think the machine is actually clogged, coming out of I think my clog is, this is not the purpose of this video, but anyways, I think my clog is coming out of the head, coming where the water goes into the header. Now here's the other vent on the right hand side. It's over there, and it comes up here, and it connects right in this area to the, which is not here. Where I'm holding my hand is where the thermostat and thermostat housing go. And the water coming out of the head, top of the engine, go into the thermostat. That vent line goes into the thermostat, which is right here. And also the thermostat has a line that goes back out the rear of the boat. So, anyways, hope that helps some of you. And away we go.